Alright, bike check. Frame is a Colt. I'm not too sure which signature one it is. It's 21 top tube. Cranks are Mod Mission cranks. Pedals are Demolition. Dim noise. Forks are Stolen Vortex. Okay. Okay. Stolen Vortex. Bars are Rant 28 width. Not gonna get all technical. These tires. Love these tires. Stem, I'm not too sure what it is, but it's a front load. I just flipped it upside down so that way there's more of a pop to it and your bars are up higher. For those of you that don't know that, you might want to do that if you're a short guy or a tall guy like me. Oh shit. Don't remember what size or what brand the sprocket is, but it's 25 tooth. Chain is Shadow with some standard KMC links. Hold on, I'm trying to get it to focus. KMC. Back rim is a Black Label rim laced to a Black Label hub. Seat, I'm not sure which seat it is, but it's a fucking Pivotal. Seat post is a Stolen Pivotal seat post. And then as you can tell, my frame and my forks are rusty. Going for like a rat rod theme type of ordeal. And yeah, this is my bike check. 2017 bike check. I'm probably gonna redo this video, but you know, I'll see how I like this one. If I like this one, I'll post it.